What's up, guys? Welcome to the Sands at CES 2019. Look, we're here to check out everything smart. We got Internet of Things, smart devices. There is so much stuff where you might find tech you never expected it. That's what all the Sands is all about at CES 2019. Let's go! What's up, guys and gals? We have been here on the show floor. Look, I'll be honest with you. I get tired, y'all get tired. Mental health and wellness is big, not only in the workplace, but for athletes and all kinds of people. Enter the Dreambox, right? This is a French-based company that has this really sleek, modern-looking pod, but there's a whole lot of magic that happens inside of it. Oh yeah, so come on, let's go check it out. You've got this really nice wood finish, this nice panel, but when I come in here, this actual mattress here, think of it as what you see at a doctor's office. It's made out of Stamskin PVC memory foam here, so it's nice and cushy. But what you can also do is you have a touchpad here where you can set the color that you want, the mood that you want to kind of take this recharge power nap. It runs for 16 minutes, and there's an actual meter on the outside that shows how long it's been occupied. And then when you're done, there's like a air freshener that shoots in here in case you get a little too relaxed. So the other pieces of the puzzle here, you have this kind of fresh cover because you don't want to be sharing all the funk from all your other coworkers in here. So I just want to really try this out. I'm tired, so I'm gonna go take a nap. All right, see ya. Energizer Bunny? Where am I? Hey, is this CES? Oh my God. All right, you wondering what are these thingamajiggies on my fingers? These are the Spectrum rings, and we are here at one of the coolest things here at CES 2019. This is like a setup. It involves an application, these special Spectrum rings, and then like a keypad. The whole product is called Spectrums. It's a really way to experience music through rhythm, color, light. You don't even have to be good at music to do this. So what I want to do is kind of come over here and check this out, see this layout. We have this pad here that has all these different colors. Some of these are notes, some of these are actual loops, and it's really hard to create music without screwing it up, but they've specifically chosen specific loops and tones to make this work. So I'm gonna get this party started here right now. We're just gonna start with a little bit of, just boom, 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 boom. Oh, okay, here we go. DJ. I better not screw this up, okay. This is one finger, right? It has an accelerometer, a touch sensor, so every time I hit it and strike it, it's gonna go, all right? Did I say color? How's that feel? You love it?
I feel the vibes.
So Spectrums, a set of one ring, the app, and the pad, $65, 2 rings, because you gotta go 2. You can do more than that. You have multiple rings, $99 for the package, but one of the really cool fun things here at CES 2019. Hi guys, I really just found my center. We're here at Muse's booth right now, and this is the Muse 2. The latest update came out around late October, but we're here at CES and they announced some interesting things about this. If you've been following them along, the original one was able to track brain activity, but the new one has new sensors that track everything from your breath, your heart rate, and then body movement. That's all in the Muse 2. It's $249. And also they're adding on this new benefit of guidance and classes as a subscription package. But when you're at CES, I just feel like you need to get rid of the distractions, man. Just find your calm, find your center. Find your center. Put it on properly. Find your center. I'm almost there. I'm there. Another fun little cool stop here, Square Panda. This is a phonics learning system. It also comes with smart letters. Yes, letters are smart now, but this is a really cool interactive way to help you and your kids learn how to read. You can even like play with an iPad, suggest me to find the letter, pop it in, 6, and then like it's fun. I know someone like my brother who could use this. He's 32. When you guys and gals hang out on the show floor, like sometimes things hit you, it's like unexpected. And I came across this kettlebell and I'm like, what is this thing? So I have Kiri here to represent. Who are you here with?
What's up? I'm here with Jack Stocks. So this is actually the first smart kettlebell ever in the whole world. They basically change his weight from 12 pounds all the way up to 42 pounds in 6-pound increments. And it's all digital, but the internals are mechanical. And on top of that, it comes with a corresponding app. So it actually tracks all of your reps, all of your movement, all of your weight, even the power that you're lifting. And then it also gives you rep integrity. So if you're doing like a kettlebell swing, it knows how tall you are and it knows what a kettlebell swing should look like. But if you don't reach the top, it won't count that rep. So you can't cheat. So basically we're at 12 pounds right now. If I lift it up and you look at the inside, this is an aluminum shaft that picks up and drops weights according to the digital interface. So it all changes weight within 3 seconds. And then this is really cool. This is an accelerometer. It's basically the same thing that's in your iPhone that counts your steps. And this is what counts all of your reps, which is really sick. And I promise you it's 18 pounds now.
Well, let me.
That's heavier. I mean, do you want to do that? I mean, don't hurt yourself.
Come on, look. You think this thing can't handle 18 pounds? It can.
We actually just launched on the 7th, January 7th. So it's available now. If you go on jackstocks.com, it's $349.
So, you know, we saw some of the cool demos here, but I don't know about that Corey guy. I think I could take his job.
I mean, I'd love to see you. Let's go.
Oh, Corey, you better watch yourself because I'm coming for you, bro.
No way, not today.
No, today.
Okay.
We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Whew. You guys and gals have no idea, like CES, it is such a beast, but I love it. All the tech here, all the cool things that you see, it is amazing. But if there was like one place that I would want to be right now, it's here with all these people. But look, I mean, I can't even, well, let's see if we can get someone's attention. Laraco, the only luxury chair made in America out of Arlington, Texas. And I'm saying this because they let me skip a line of over 50 people to sit in here. Oh, it's neat. There's like balls on my back and it's kneading me like dough. Oh, this is so good. Oh my goodness, I'm not leaving CES. Oh, that shouldn't be there though. That should not be rubbing me there.